Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model TF5589-B in color code 001. It's a black shiny rose gold color frame. On the temple here we have a gold Tom Ford logo, and at the temple tip over here we have a gold Tom Ford writing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Japan. This is the other side of the temple. The lenses are a blue block lens, and on the top left it has a Tom Ford logo engraved. These are RXable. And the style of the frame is full rim rectangular. Up here we have a Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an electricity card, and the manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.